I still don't know if the person outside my house that night was trying to break in, or if they just wanted me to know I wasn't alone. I've replayed that night over and over in my head. Every sound, every pause, every moment where I told myself I was probably overthinking it. I wasn't. This happened a few winters ago when I was living alone in northern Michigan. The kind of place where winter doesn't feel calm. It feels heavy. My house was a small rental. Old wood floors, thin walls, and a porch that creaked even when nobody was on it. Trees surrounded the place, and once snow started falling, everything felt cut off. I worked long shifts at a warehouse. Nothing special. Come home tired. I was exhausted that night. Physically tired, mentally drained. No roommates, no pets, no one checking in. The nearest neighbor lived far enough away that once snow hit hard, you might as well be alone. By 10:30 p.m., I shut off most of the lights and laid down on the couch. I left my boots by the door, something I usually never did. I didn't know why. I just didn't feel like putting them away. At 11:15 p.m., I heard something that didn't belong. Not wind, not the house settling. Footsteps, slow, heavy, crunching through fresh snow. I stayed completely still, listening. The steps stopped, then started again. Closer. The heater kicked on suddenly, filling the house with noise. I walked to the window and pulled the curtain back, just enough to see outside. The porch light showed a single trail of footprints leading straight to my front door. No knock, no car. Then I saw movement, a dark shape stepping backward, just beyond the light, and disappearing. I locked the deadbolt, checked every window, grabbed a flashlight. Everything looked fine. I told myself it was probably just someone lost in the storm. People make dumb choices when it snows like that. By 12:30 a.m., nothing else happened. A wind picked up. Snow hit the windows harder. I lay down fully dressed, boots still by the door. At exactly 2:47 a.m., I woke up, not from a dream, from sound. Snow sliding off the roof, then footsteps. These weren't on the porch. They were right outside my bedroom window. I held my breath as a shadow passed behind the frosted glass. Tall, slow. Then 3 knocks. Not loud, not angry, careful. The footsteps moved again, circling the house. Front. I grabbed my keys and slipped out the bedroom window. The cold burned instantly. I ran through knee-deep snow toward my truck, about 90 feet away, heart pounding, lungs burning. When I turned back, I saw fresh footprints near the back door. Walking, not running. That scared me more than anything else. I drove straight to the sheriff's office. They checked the house at sunrise. Footprints everywhere, but none leading away. No explanation, no suspect. I moved out 2 weeks later. And even now, when it snows heavy at night, I still listen for footsteps outside the window.
Yo, if you dig this vibe, smash that like button and subscribe to the Dark Plus YouTube channel. And hey, spread the word. Share this video with your crew.